Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the creamsicle slime. So as you see here, I have this orange slime. I made it myself. It is very stretchy. So I made this, so you cannot buy it in stores. But it smells. It's like the best smelling slime in the world. Seriously, it smells like orange creamsicle. Let's try a new cream smell to make sure I do it right. The base, the biggest, and not the best, but pretty good. So my last attempts got dried up. So let's try it again. Okay, let's do it. Instagram the world like a boss. So guys, I just have it in here because of no reason, because I have nowhere else to put it. So yeah, it's in here now. So let's just go ahead and close that up. And guys, this is the end of the video. Bye!